Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter number 6 of Civics, in which we are discussing about rural administration. In this module, we shall study about the maintenance of land records. Dear students, as we all know that agriculture is the main occupation in India. So land is of great importance to us. It is necessary to know how much land is owned by whom. This information can be obtained from land records. The government collects money from farmers and landowners in the form of taxes. The rate of tax is fixed according to the quality and size of the land, which is owned by the cultivator. Collection of land revenue and maintenance of land records are important functions of the district administration. For this purpose, districts are divided into subdivisions. These subdivisions of a district are known by different names such as Tehsil, Taluk, etc. The revenue officer at the Tehsil level is known as the Tehsildar. He supervises the work of the Patwaris and ensures that records are properly kept and land revenue is collected. He or she hears the land disputes. Moreover, he or she makes sure that the farmers can easily obtain a copy of their records. As I told you that Tehsildar, he supervises the work of the Patwari. The Patwari maintains land records and collects revenue at the village level. He is also known as the Lekpal, Karamchari or village officer, etc. Each Patwari is responsible for a group of villages. The main functions of the Patwari are: the village Patwari keeps a record of the land areas kept by the people. A Patwari deals with measuring land and maintaining the land records belonging to the different villages. The village Patwari is also responsible for the collection of land revenue from the villages. The Patwari is assisted by other officers in his work. He or she maintains and updates the record of a village. He keeps the map and the corresponding details such as khata number, khasra number, etc. The khasra record of the Patwari gives you information regarding the village map. You can easily identify which plot of land is owned by whom. He or she provides information to the government about the crops grown in the area. He or she keeps a vigil on the village land. Farmers may change the crop grown on their fields, or someone may dig a well somewhere. So keeping track of all these things is the main work of Patwari. So dear student, this was all about this module. We shall continue the chapter with the next module. Thank you. Have a nice day.